Hi lovely people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we shall be making some cabbage stew. So let's get the fire ready to prepare our stew. While we are waiting for the fire to get ready, let's go through some of the ingredients we'll be using to prepare our stew. So we have some onions, ginger and garlic paste, groundnut oil, salt to taste, carrots, fresh tomatoes, green pepper, some cabbage, spring onions and some salmon. I've cut all the vegetables to my desired sizes and shapes. Now our fire is ready, so I'll place my saucepan on fire, pour in some of the groundnut oil. Now our oil is hot, so I'll go in with some chopped onions and I'll fry for about 2 minutes and add the chopped tomatoes. I'll be stirring this from time to time in order to make sure that it doesn't get burnt. I'm adding the ginger and garlic paste and some pepper, then salt to taste. If you are using seasoning cube, you can add it at this point, but I will not be using any seasoning cube. Please support us by liking the video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so for more valuable content. Thank you for doing that. And now I'm adding the salmon. This is steamed salmon, so you can use any protein of your choice. The stew is almost ready, so I'll first of all add the cabbage to it. After about 2 minutes, I'll add the carrots. I'll leave this for 2 minutes as well, then I'll add in the rest of the vegetables. The amount of time you use to cook your vegetables depends on how soft or crunchy you want them to be. I'll leave this for about 2 minutes and our cabbage stew is ready. And yeah, we have our cabbage stew ready for us to enjoy. So please let me know in the comment section what you enjoy this stew with. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye.